Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are taking economic subject lesson number first, introduction to economics. This is the second part of that lesson. In this lesson our topic is types of economy. In world there are three types of economy. First capitalistic economy, second socialistic economy, and mixed economy, the last one. So we will talk about first capitalistic economy. Ownership in this economy, the ownership and management of means of production is the hands of private individuals. Means the total business or total industries are under control on the private persons or individual persons. Is in the capitalist economy, main aim is to earn maximum profit. Very easy. When the individual is owner of some factory or industry, so he will earn maximum profit. Germany, Japan, and USA have adopted such a type of economy, capitalistic economy. Second type, socialistic economy. The means of production belongs to the society as a whole. The government's control means here not the private persons or individual having the industry or company. The government controls all the industries and companies of that nations. The main aim is to achieve social welfare. Means equally the profit equally divided into the whole nations or whole the people of the nations. China and Russia have adopted socialistic type of economy. Now we will talk about mixed economy. So here India is practicing. Sweden and UK have adopted type of system, that's mixed economy. The coexistence of private and public sector means here the companies have many companies, some companies are private and some companies are under government control, that's called public sector. A balance between profit and social welfare is made. Here the main issues or main aim to achieve the social welfare, also earn the maximum profit. So India and Sweden and United Kingdom, means Britain, have adopted the type of system, that's mixed economy. In this system, the companies having control individuals, persons, or government also. So it is called mixed economy. So in this lesson or in this session we learn types of economy. First capitalistic economy, second socialistic economy, third mixed economy. So students, read the lesson carefully. Inshallah next session we will continue the lesson. Till assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.